Smooth sailing through English, understanding plain sailing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting English phrase that you might have come across: plain sailing. This expression is quite vivid and has a nautical origin, but it's used in many different contexts. Stick around as we explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Let's make learning English not just educational, but also fun and plain sailing. The phrase, plain sailing, refers to a situation that is straightforward and free from difficulties or complications. It's used to describe a task, process, or experience that is easy to understand or accomplish. Imagine sailing on a sea that's calm and clear, with no obstacles in your path. That's the essence of plain sailing. To truly appreciate this phrase, it's helpful to know a bit about its background. Plain sailing comes from the world of sailing and navigation, specifically from the days when sailors had to rely on the stars and their knowledge of the seas to navigate. When the sea was calm and the route was clear, navigation was much simpler, hence, plain sailing. This origin adds a layer of richness to the phrase, connecting it to human history and the age-old relationship with the sea. Now, let's look at how to incorporate plain sailing into your everyday English. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Describing tasks. Once we figured out the software, it was plain sailing. Talking about experiences. After the initial paperwork, my trip to Spain was plain sailing. In metaphors, I hope it's plain sailing from here on out. Remember, plain sailing is typically used to reflect on a part of a process that was or is expected to be easy and uncomplicated. And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, plain sailing. We hope this exploration has made your path to mastering English a little bit more like, well, plain sailing. Whether you're navigating the complexities of grammar or the vast ocean of vocabulary, remember that every phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. Thank you for sailing with us today, and we look forward to your company on many more linguistic voyages. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.